Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking here at Dutchy HQ. Still on lockdown here in the UK, so all we can do is do a cook. So today I'm doing a hashtag cast iron Wednesday and also an hashtag freezer aid. So today we're going to be making a bit of a British classic. That's lamb hot pot. We've got a new little 1 litre or 2.11 pint cast iron dish that we're going to cook in, and also we're going to cook in on the wood burning stove. That's a little bit while the smoke's around.
So we're just going to put our new Dutch oven on the wood stove on the hot plate to get warm. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and let that come up to temperature. Meanwhile, I've got 450 grams of diced lamb and 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm just going to cover the lamb in the flour. This will also help to thicken the sauce at the end. Alright, the oil's up to temperature, so I'm just going to brown this lamb off. We're going to do it in 2 batches, we don't want to overcrowd this small little pot. Just give it a turn so it's evenly browned. This first lot, this is the second lot. Remove that now. So now we're going to add 1 chopped onion. Let that cook down. Once the onions are softened, we've got 2 chopped garlic cloves. And just cook the garlic out for a couple of minutes. To this I'm going to add about 250 millilitres of lamb stock. This will also deglaze the bottom of the pan and any of those meat bits are stuck onto the bottom. I've got 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 sprig of fresh rosemary that I've just picked. And finally 1 peeled and chopped carrot. Give this a mix. We'll pop the lid on and get this up to a simmer. So once we're up to a simmer, we're going to add the lamb back in. Get all the juices in as well off this plate. Give it a stir, make sure we're mixed through. So we've got this up to a rolling boil now. What I'm going to do, I've just got a skillet. I'm just going to turn it upside down, put it on top of the wood stove, put the pot back on it. This will stop it from boiling and burning. Now these potatoes I've cut with a mandolin. Be careful if you can use one of these. So I've just sliced them very thinly and then I've cut them in half. And we're just going to stack them on top. So that's our potatoes finished. We'll pop the lid on. Then we're going to get in our oven. So this is going to go for about an hour and a half in there. I'm just going to turn it over from hot plate to oven. So this is at about an hour and a half. What I'm going to do now is just going to remove the lid. I'm going to put it back in for about 45 minutes so the potatoes can crisp on top. So that's it. After the 45 minutes, you can see the nice golden brown colour of the potatoes. So we're serving this with some vegetables. And once again, this dish smells absolutely amazing.
So there we have it, folks. This is my lamb hot pot. That lamb is really tender. Try some of these potatoes now. Cooked through nicely. The tops have got a nice crisp to them. Another nice dish.
If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.